So hello guys, once again welcome back to the channel. Zusir was here. Today we are here at Prep Hall and we are doing X robotics experiments and workshop. So please enjoy this video till the end.
Today what we will do, we will try to cover up the theoretical portion of what we are going to do, the experimentation and hands-on journey. Second, we will learn how the wireless electricity project works. Okay? And also our team member will hand over those kit components to you in a group basis so that you can also replicate the same from your end. Okay? Three of the crucial part we need throughout the journey to build any robotics stuff or a robot itself, right? So I will choose the good students among you guys so that we will have one or two volunteers to actually execute the task later on at the end of this session, okay? Be what? Interact. How many of you remember the full form of it? Yes, one of you please. From this side. Yes. Louder. Perfect. So we are talking about four of the domains. That is science, technology, engineering, and so how many of you are aware of why these four domains are important for all of us? Any one of you? Yes, go for it please.
Science, mathematics and technology, it all makes our life easier and helps us in our day-to-day life. Engineering is one of the main components which helps in all it, like it supports with all three of the
Yes.
other stuff.
Correct.
Other platforms. It makes our life easier, all four of them.
Very good. Clap for him please. Technology, actually we are trying to make our life easier. Yes, brain will inform that to our leg and then our feet will decide what to do. It will retract back or it will go or run in a forward direction. Yes? To bring our rocketry system back to Earth by landing it, then how we can achieve it? What are the parameters will be required? Yes?
We would require thrusters to make sure that it lands in a straight position.
Perfect.
And then to slow down and help slow
Okay.
down the gravitational force, we will have to use the main thruster also.
Yes, perfect. Okay. Taking the reference of this pen with respect to the wireless electricity project. Insulated copper wires. Okay? Because we are going to play with magnetic field. The second part we need is this one. Have you seen this one before? What is the name of this part? Transistors. What is this one?
So resistor.
How many of you does have an idea like where we do use it? It is the second name of the LED. So we can either say light emitting diode or we can also call it as light emitting diopter. I'm using this one. I'm just holding this copper wire in here to fold it for how many numbers of turn will be required? So we need 30 turns. So write down in your copy please. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 26, 27, 28, 29 and okay. So I will use wire cutter to cut out the leftover portion, okay? But I don't have to release it for now, okay? Because if I release it, then every single coil will come unfolded. So I will try to hold this with my one hand and use the other hand to fold the wires like this. Can you able to see it? Yes, sir. Okay, so that it won't leave its place. You can see it how I made the coil. I will do the same for the second coil as well, second side of this coil as well. Will it be possible for you to do? Yes, sir. Okay, perfect. So now let's make the transmitter circuit once. The receiver coil has been done. So let's make the transmitter coil. Just remember the turns I am taking and then follow the process the time you will come forward to do this experiment, okay? So I'm starting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I said one twist is there, right? So on the count of 15 we have to stop. Then I will take out this wire. Okay? I will take out this wire. Then again start counting from 16. Okay? So 16.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Perfect. So again, the 30 turns, wind up everything in this one is this one, then second is this one, and third one is the combined of two of the wires.
Count.
Count the third.
And I will do the same for the other side.
I did it.
Okay? So can you see it in your copy? Like how we connected the LED? I will insert it on the first pin, like this. Done? So if I bring this one close to, you can test it on from your own.
in YouTube search.
You understood the circuit diagram? Let me show it to you. Okay?
From some ocean, so that's what transmitter.
So if you bring this one, even though if you don't touch, then also it will transmit the electricity, because we are transmitting the electricity using the magnetic flux or magnetic field. Okay, so it will work on every place. Okay. Okay. Yes.
What if I do 40 and on 20 I fold it and
Then you have to use the different transistor. You have to use the different power. So for this setup, I calculated 30 is the efficient one, which actually helps me like maintain the life of battery and properly like transmit exactly the 3 volt to the other side, right? Okay.
This sulfate is better though.
Found your F is better in Sputo Day.
6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
No, see the circle.
No, check it.
The transistor was the wrong way around.
Okay.
Problem is the main problem.
Okay, great job.
You have